Now the 17th question of exercise 8.4 is, a window of a house is h meters above the ground. From the window, the angles of elevation and depression of the top and the bottom of another house situated on the opposite side of the lane are found to be alpha and beta respectively. Prove that the height of the other house is h 1 plus tan alpha cot beta meters. Now this is the figure. Here AB is a house, A is window of a house, and this window is h meters above the ground. So height of this window is h meter. So AB is h meter. Let EC is another house opposite side of the lane, and let the height of this house is h meter. Now the angle of elevation of the top of this house with this point A is alpha. And the angle of depression of the window with this point C is beta. So this angle is beta. Now, if this angle is beta, then this angle is beta, because alternate angles are equal. Now, if AB is h meter, then CD is h meter. Now, if EC is this capital H meter and CD is this small h meter, then ED will be h minus h meter. Now listen again. If the height of AB is h meter, it means the height of CD is h meter. And if this EC is capital H meter, then ED will be capital H minus small h meter. And if I take BC as x meter, then AD will again be as x meter. I am to find the height of other house. It means I am to find capital H. It means I am to find the length of EC. Now let me repeat it again. There are two houses. One is AB and one is EC. A is the window of the first house. Alpha is the angle of elevation which the top of the other house make with the window of the first house. Beta is the angle of depression of A with the bottom of the other house. So if DAC is beta, then ACB is beta, because alternate angles are equal. If AB is h meter, then DC is h meter. And then ED will be capital H minus h meter. So we have two right angle triangles. One is EDA, the other one is ABC. So I'm going to discuss these two right angle triangles. First, I'm going to discuss this triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, perpendicular upon base is equal to tan beta. Perpendicular here is AB and base here is BC is equal to tan beta. Perpendicular AB is equal to H upon X is equal to tan beta. Now in second triangle, triangle EDA, perpendicular upon base is equal to tan alpha. Perpendicular here is ED, base here is AD is equal to tan alpha. ED is H minus H upon AD is X is equal to tan alpha. So I have two equations. One is H by X is equal to tan beta. The other one is H minus H upon X is equal to tan alpha. On the next page, I'm going to write these two equations and I'm going to find the value of capital H. That is the height of the other house. Now I have two equations, h by x is equal to tan beta, h minus h upon x is equal to tan alpha. I'm going to find the value of x here. Now, if h by tan beta is equal to x, h minus h upon tan alpha is equal to x, it means I can write h by tan beta is equal to h minus h upon tan alpha. If both are equal to x, they are equal to each other. Now I'm going to find the value of h. So cross multiply it. H tan alpha is equal to h minus h tan beta. H tan alpha is equal to h tan beta minus h tan beta. So this can be written as h tan alpha plus h tan beta is equal to capital H tan beta. So h tan alpha plus h tan beta upon tan beta is equal to capital H. So this can be written as h tan alpha upon tan beta plus h tan beta upon tan beta is equal to h. So this is equal to h tan alpha. 1 by tan beta can be written as cot beta plus h is equal to capital H. Take h common. I'll have tan alpha cot beta plus 1 is equal to capital H. So that is the height of other house. So h is equal to h 1 plus tan alpha cot beta. So capital H is equal to h 1 plus tan alpha cot beta. So that is the height of the other house.